Welcome back there, Coastal Bay meteorologist Diamond Dixon here with the live look outside our What a Sky cam overlooking Whataburger Field. You can see the sunny skies, a couple of clouds also hanging out for us, feeling nice and warm for us today. But we do have those gusty winds helping us out, moving the heat a little bit. Temperature and feel like wise, we still have some triple digits for feel like temperatures across the majority of our neighborhoods. But here in Corpus Christi, we're at 91. We feel like 103 as we come a little bit closer to the coast. We're at 87 and 88 for the Naval Air Station in Port Aransas, feeling like 100 and 101. Now, west, we're not feeling in the triple digits, but they are the warmest as far as temperature. 97 there for Freer, 89 Kingsville, Robstown, 79 for Beeville. So as we look at those feel like temperatures as we head into our evening, we'll come out of those triple digit feel like temperatures around 7 o'clock, and then we will go back into the triple digit feel like weather tomorrow around 1 p.m. So current winds coming out of the southeast, 16 miles per hour here in Corpus Christi, 18 for the Naval Air Station, 21 for Kingsville, and 23 out there in Freer. So once again, helping move some of that heat for us. Now, wind gust forecast wise, once again, we'll see the most elevated until 6 to 7, increasing again around our noon hour tomorrow. So with our tracking the tropics for hurricane season, we had Tropical Storm Chantal make landfall early this morning around 4 a.m. Now Tropical Depression Chantal. Now this will continue to drop some heavy rain along North Carolina, and this will eventually dissipate. But once again, the good news is that it is weakening. So as we go through hurricane season, you'll continue to hear us talk about the list of names. So now we have 3 names crossed off the list. On terms of tempest here on the south side of town, we're looking at a few recordings here, about a couple. Some of our others aren't showing, that's okay, but 87 to about 89 degrees on the south side from Benton Trail Drive to Sandy Creek Townhomes, and over in Kingsville about 88 to 89 degrees, so not too far off. Now hour by hour, how we're hanging out, we'll then hit the low 80s by 10 o'clock tonight, hanging out then in the upper 70s up until our Monday morning, around 78 degrees with a lighter south-southeast wind. Temperature wise, we look to be about normal to slightly warmer than normal for the next 6 to 10 days out, and what you'll notice is that our temperatures do increase as we hit towards the end of the week. So heat risk wise, we're looking at about moderate along the coast, minor for more central neighborhoods, and then back to moderate out west. Kind of improves for us on July 8th. But what we're going to be tracking more so is Saharan dust as it hits us again with another wave into midweek. We're talking Wednesday through Friday. You can see that big wave that will then come and kind of affect our air quality, giving us a little bit of those hazy conditions. Tomorrow's forecast to give you a good look. Once again, we're going to warm up in our noon hour. We'll start to feel a little less warm after our 6 o'clock hour as we head into our sunset. But like I mentioned, and we also have a small chance of rain Monday and Tuesday. That's going to be our only opportunity of some light rainfall. And after that, we have that Saharan dust that returns Wednesday through Friday, as well as a little bit of increasing temperature before we end the week.